This is what I'm having for breakfast. I have Food for Life English muffins. They're really good. They have like little seeds in it. It's really delicious. And I have a vegan cream cheese, Go Veggie, the chive and garlic. This one's my favorite. And I always loved putting Tabasco on my cream cheese. Even before I was a vegan, I would have like a bagel of cream cheese or a muffin or toast. And I love putting Tabasco on it. It may sound weird, but that's how I like it. You should try it. For lunch, I'm having some leftovers from last night, and it was my Mexican casserole dish. And it's very delicious. It's kale and some beans and rice and all good stuff, onions, and on top is my vegan coleslaw. And I just absolutely love this combination. I love this dish. You could click above for the recipe. You should give it a try. It's really good. I love this dish. I'm having some snacks before dinner. I have a couple of organic bell peppers. I also cut some up for our dogs. They love them as well. To go with some of my homemade hummus. I have some roasted garlic and some Earth Balance puffs and some Way Better snack chips. And I'm gonna have this before dinner. This is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having some mashed potatoes mixed with some mashed white beans, some mushroom gravy, some peas, corn, green beans, and I topped it with a piece of tofu with some of my homemade sour cream and some sriracha sauce.